third numerical is a solid object weighs 250 Newton. When it is placed on a wooden plank, the area of contact is found to be 10 meters square. Find the pressure exerted by the solid object on the wooden plank. Let us solve it. Here the force is equal to weight. Force exerted by solid object on the wooden plank is 250 Newton. Area of contact between wooden plank and solid object is 10 meters square. We will find the pressure exerted by the solid object on the wooden plank. The formula is pressure is equal to force by area. Therefore, pressure exerted by solid on the wooden plank is equal to force exerted by solid object on wooden plank by area of contact. Therefore, 250 is divided by 10 is equal to 25 Newton per meter square or 25 Pascal. Fourth numerical is a brick is 32 cm long, 10 cm wide and 10 cm thick. It weighs 60 Newton and is lying on the ground. Find the pressure exerted by the brick on the ground. Now we will solve it. Force exerted by the brick on the ground is 16 Newton. Area of brick is length into breadth. 32 cm multiplied by 10 cm, answer is 320 cm square. To convert 320 cm square into meter square, we divide 320 by 10,000 because 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. Here is meter square. We are converting centimeter square into meter square. For this we multiply 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So 320 divided by 10,000 and the answer is 0.032 meter square. We will find the pressure exerted by the brick on the ground. The formula is pressure is equal to force by area. 16 is divided by 0.032. For ease of our work, we are converting the denominator decimal value into fractional value. So 16 is divided by 32 upon 1000. Look carefully. 16 and 32 are factors of 2. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1000, which is equal to 1000 upon 2. Answer is 500 Newton per meter square or 500 Pascal. Fifth numerical is a force of 120 Newton is applied on an object of area 3 meters square. Calculate the pressure. Let's solve it. Force is 120 Newton. Area is 3 meters square. We will calculate pressure. The formula is pressure is force upon area. Force is 120, area is 3. 120 is divided by 3. Answer is 40 Newton per meter square or 40 Pascal. That's all for today. Thank you.